Hi, my name is Sarah and I want to give you a short explanation of how to add installations to your professional Stand By Me account via the Daikin E-Care app. The My Installations part allows the installer to register an installation within seconds. Click on the plus sign to add an installation. You can start from an existing lead or add a new installation. Manual input is minimized thanks to a smart QR code scanner that enables the app to find the product name and serial number of each scanned unit. If the unit has no QR code, the technical data can be input manually. The commissioning document can be uploaded by simply taking a picture with your mobile device. Select the commissioning date to proceed. GPS tracking allows the app to recognize the location of the installation instantly. If your customer agrees that his email address can be input, he will be invited to finalize the registration on Stand By Me. Finally, you indicate if you want to offer service on this unit and your installation is registered. Starting from this registration, you can go directly to the e-configurator. In the near future, a direct link to the eDoctor part of the app will be added. In another video, more information about the e-configurator and the eDoctor are given. We are convinced that this functionality will make you save time during the registration of your units. Please contact your local Daikin representative in case you have questions about this tool.